Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Driven Wyld. Today we are talking about full order probably costs $15. McDonald's worker receives DoorDash order for one salt packet. We've seen a plethora of deliveries, whether it's an extremely large order or sometimes extremely small. In this case, a singular salt packet. We've seen the ketchup packet, now we got the salt packet. So with that said, I want to go over everything that's being said in this article, how it actually is for DoorDash, UberEats, and Grubhub drivers, and everything in between. So with that said, let's get started. A McDonald's worker revealed a bizarre order she had to make for a DoorDash order, a single salt packet. This is interesting. This is actually from the restaurant's perspective. Forget how the driver is feeling right now. The restaurant is thinking, oh, we got an order for a salt packet? We've actually seen a few crazy ones. A burger with only a slice of cheese because they removed everything else. We've seen a single ketchup packet. And now we got a single salt packet. TikTok user Paige at Bentenproductions typically posts content about her job at McDonald's. This time, the video was about a DoorDash order. Her delivery pickup screen read for one order for DoorDash. What was it? One salt packet. Then she prepared the order. I'm going to leave her TikTok as well as her profile in the description so you can develop your own opinions on the subject. First, the content creator opened a large McDonald's DoorDash bag. Next, she dropped the single salt packet into it. Afterward, Paige folded the bag and sealed it shut with 2 McDonald's stickers on each side. She wrapped up the video by unveiling the completed order and placed it on the counter, ready for pickup. The video has racked up over 602,000 views since February 2nd. Apparently, Paige isn't alone. The things you do for content, huh? This happened at our McDonald's. They ordered a syrup cup, and we gave them everything but syrup, like M&M's and mini fry, because they kept reordering, one viewer wrote. Yo, imagine. This is how you know McDonald's is just screwing with you. You literally order a single syrup cup, and they refuse to provide it. Literally giving you everything else. Like, you know that that's gonna be content right there, is when they're like, yo, we ordered a single syrup cup from McDonald's because we were trying to have pancakes and we didn't have syrup, but we really wanted McDonald's syrup, so we got that. And look how McDonald's screwed up our order. How do they even do that? Rating the Dasher 1 star. Order never arrived. Someone ordered just the syrup packet once and I filled the bag with a handful of it, a second stated. You know what? I'll tell you this though, since certain restaurants are charging for extra packets of sauces, this is probably a more expensive way to go about it, but this way they'll actually feel a need to grab a handful of them and just put them in a bag. That's interesting. I'm sure the driver would never have accepted that order, but imagine how the restaurant would be, right? On the flip side, others shared why they've done similar things. Oh, this should be good. No, cause this is me. They be forgetting my salt or sauce and I just order it by itself. LMFAO, one user remarked. This person has been through it. They need to make sure that they're getting what they ordered. So they're gonna order the sauce separately than the actual meal. That's pretty bad. I legit accidentally ordered 10 hot sauce packets from Taco Bell last week. It was $6 a second share. How do you accidentally order 10 hot sauce packets from Taco Bell and that's it? Like, I understand if you were trying to get 10 of a certain item, but 10 hot sauce packets specifically? Like, how do you manage to do that? Although $6 for 10 hot sauce packets, you might as well have just gotten a bottle from the store. Nevertheless, many viewers commented on the possible price for the order. Whole order probably cost $15, one said. That was probably expensive too, a second echoed. You know what? That's actually a good question. Hang on a second. So I just did a look on DoorDash for this, and this is actually pretty scary to see personally. This order is literally $2 for the tip. That's it. One singular salt packet, $0 subtotal, $0 delivery fee, and $2 tip is the default, and I'm saving 99 cents with some sort of promotion that they're having. I didn't even know there was a promotion going. $2. I have a sneaking suspicion that there's gonna be some guy who sees this video and they're just gonna order a bunch of free condiments and that's it. Stock up on it and call it a day. That is too funny. Although I'll tell you what, if they were to go out of their way and change the tip to 0, I would be genuinely impressed if it ever gets delivered, because then you literally just got free stuff. Even if it is just condiments and spices. Apparently, it's fairly common for McDonald's customers to DoorDash a single item. TikTok user Jane revealed how she accidentally ordered just 2 ketchup packets and the total came out to $8.66. Another user named Gigi received only a slice of cheese after ordering that and a Happy Meal. Finally, another DoorDash customer named Anthony placed an order for a burger with no cheese, pickles, mustard, bread, ketchup, onions, meat, or salt, which is essentially air. He did this to see if the driver would end up delivering his order, which they did. This is my opinion. It's worth what you pay for it. None of you pay me. There you go. This is an interesting perspective from the restaurant side, because a lot of the times they can either cancel it or literally just fulfill the order exactly as is. The only value the order is providing is $2 to the Dasher and nothing else. There is no 30% commission to DoorDash because there's no charge on DoorDash at all. What would happen there? Would McDonald's just get a fee of some sort? Would DoorDash just not get anything? Would McDonald's just throw a bag at someone and call it a day? I don't know. I'll say this though, I don't know if it should be possible to do that, but the fact that it is kind of hilarious. Now, from a Dasher's perspective, one of the things that they're gonna consider is that this is a scam order and they shouldn't bother. Because there have been people that ordered a really cheap single item and it ends up going to like this random place in the middle of nowhere and they can't get in touch with the customer because of that. So what happens? The driver ends up having to just leave it somewhere and move on. And a lot of drivers just don't think it's a good use of time, and I don't blame them. Honestly, I don't even know what else to say to this. It's just a crazy situation. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. As always, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.